Oh my god. Oh, oh, a deadborn. It's going up the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's awesome. I sure hope Wade sees this. That's what he gets for telling me something out of fucking title.
Oh my god. Oh, and there goes the, I think that was a tire right there. Man. Oh. Jesus. Trying to rip the motor out.
Oh, he'll get it. You can hear it. Just give it.
Twisting that bitch off. Look at that. Oh, there it goes. Oh, and fluids go everywhere.
It's coming. It's coming.
There we go. There goes the motor.
Oh, roadblock. There's your motor.
Dang. He's gonna throw it. Oh my god, he's gonna throw it. Damn. Oh my god. Man, he's destroying it.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's got like 10 minutes. I'm going. My god, this is crazy.
Thanks, man. Have a good show.
Oh, he's done destroying that.
Okay, let's go.
Yep.